Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder conversation not found in. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder conversation not found in, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list of apps, you will search about the application of Tinder. Here in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Here we go to the window of storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on, then you can turn off your airplane mode. If it's not working, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Tinder, and if you will find here in this blue sign update, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.